Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how the digital crown works on your Apple Airpods Max. So I'm going to mimic wearing them by putting them on the box here, and you will see they're now connected. So if you're listening to, for example, Spotify, or in this example here we're on YouTube videos, you can do various different things. If we click in just the once, it will pause and unpause the music or the video that you're watching. So you can see now this is working. If I click it again just the once, it will pause it. If I click it in twice, it will skip the track or skip the video. So it will start playing the next video. So if I go twice like that, it will now load up the next video. If I click it 3 times, it will go back to the previous track. So 1, 2, 3. And you can see again, it will start playing this one here. 1, 2, 3 again, it will go back. If we just pause it there, if we hold it down, it will activate Siri, and then you can ask it questions. So here we go, holding it down now. You will see that Siri's now activated. What time is it in Australia? And it gives me the time there in Canberra. Now it will also do volume. So if we turn it clockwise, you can see that the volume is increasing, and counterclockwise or anti-clockwise, it is decreasing. But let's say if you don't like the feeling of that and you want to swap that round, so clockwise will decrease and counterclockwise will increase, we can do that in the settings. So I'm just going to go into the settings, and I'm going to go to AirPods Max. And if we go down here, we have an option for digital crown. We're going to click on that, and it says increase volume by rotating back to front or front to back. So when it's on front to back, it's the same as it was, which is clockwise to increase and counterclockwise to decrease. But if I put it back to front, then you'll see when I do it clockwise, can you see it's now decreasing? And anti-clockwise or counterclockwise, it's increasing. And with the digital crown, it does loads of things related to phone calls as well. Now I'm only going to show you the very basics here because there's a load of things that you would need 2 phones to do. So I'm just going to ring in via FaceTime. In this instance, I'm going to have to press it twice because it's FaceTime. But on a normal phone call, you would just press it the once to answer. But you can also decline it by pressing it twice. So let me just show you it. So I'm going to ring in from this phone here to this iPad. These are currently still connected to the iPad. So we're going to be ringing in now. You will get notified on here that a FaceTime call is coming through. So you would press it once and then again to actually join. So right now we're connected. There will be a bit of feedback and stuff. And that's it. We are now talking from here into here. And then to hang up, we just need to press twice. And now that will hang up the phone call. And on that part there, we press the digital crown twice to end the call. We can change that to just 1 press if you would prefer that. So if we go into the AirPods Max settings, under the settings of the iPad or iPhone, and if we go down to end call, at the moment it's on press twice, but if we go to press once, it will end the call on just 1 press. Now let's say you get a phone call through and you don't want to be disturbed. It announces who it is and you don't want to speak to them. You might be busy or for whatever reason. You just press it twice and it will decline the call. So I'm going to ring in again from the phone to the iPad. Again, through here that you can't hear, we're getting notified about who's calling, and we just hit it twice, once, twice, and you will see it has now declined the call. But there's loads of other things that can be done as well. For example, if you're on a phone call and a second phone call comes in, we can put the first call on hold by hitting the digital crown. We can also switch between 2 active phone calls by double clicking the digital crown. And we can decline a second incoming call coming in by pressing and holding the digital crown. As well as that, if you're on the phone call, just 1 phone call, and you press that twice, it will send the phone call from here on to your phone because you might want to use it on your phone instead. So the digital crown does a huge amount of things. But in this video here, I've just shown you the main things that you will use it for. I hope you found it informative. Thank you so much for watching.